Hi, I'm Scott Widmer with Round Grove Products. Today I want to talk a little bit about our combination units. I want to start out by talking a little bit about the Kiva Mezzo size. This is the very first size of combination unit that we developed. It's based on the standard Mezzo width. So we've got a 40-inch firebox down below. And then what we wanted to do was put a brick oven on top of that so it's vertically integrated. So we've got a brick oven here that is 20 inches wide by 24 inches deep. This is our smallest brick oven that we could make in a combination unit. Once we got that accomplished, then we decided to upgrade to the Kiva Largo. So we've got that next to it here. This is 63 inches in width overall. It's based on the Largo fireplace. So we've got a 48-inch firebox down below. And we were able to make the brick oven just a little bit bigger than the Kiva Mezzo. So I'm standing next to a Fiesta Largo. This is the next biggest in our series of combination units. We had some requests for a larger brick oven. So the only way I was able to do that was by expanding the depth of the unit so that we could make the brick oven bigger overall. So the Fiesta series is 42 inches in depth compared to the Kiva series, which is our standard 30-inch. Again, we built this based on our Largo and Mezzo fireplaces. So we start out in this instance with a Largo firebox that's 48 inches wide. But then we were able to put a much larger brick oven into this. So this brick oven is 45 inches wide by 27 inches deep. And then we've got the Fiesta Mezzo as well. Again, it's based on the Mezzo fireplace width. And we have another larger brick oven here, which is 37 inches by 27 inches deep. These all use the same cast iron door or stainless door. Next in size, we're able to scale this product down. This is a Fiesta Poco. So we've got the Poco sized firebox and then a slightly smaller brick oven here. This is a 29-inch wide by 27-inch deep. And last is the Fiesta Mini. So this is based on the mini fireplace width. So we've got the mini firebox down below. And the brick oven here is 26 inches wide by 27 inches deep. So this brick oven is just slightly larger than the Kiva series brick ovens. So that's just some basic differences between the Kiva series and the Fiesta series and all 6 of the different sizes of those combination units.